advanced level combined maths 2 question about center of mass. First part, find the center of mass of a uniform sector of radius r subtending at angle 2 theta at the center by integration. Second part, a sector OCD of radius lambda r subtending an angle 2 theta at the center, given that lambda less than 1 and C and D are 2 points on OB and OA respectively. Show that the center of mass of ABCD portion is 2r by 3 into sine theta over theta into lambda squared plus lambda plus 1 over lambda plus 1 of distance away from O on its axis of symmetry. Hence, deduce the center of mass of sector of radius r subtending an angle 2 theta at the center and the center of mass of a circular arc of radius r subtending an angle 2 theta at the center. Third part, a circular disc of radius r with center C and circular arc of radius 2r with center O are rigidly fixed at the point B as shown in the figure to make a composite body. Given that the surface density of circular disc is ρ1 and the linear density of circular arc is ρ2, show that the distance from O to the center of mass of the composite body is r into pi r ρ1 plus 8 ρ2 over pi into r ρ1 plus 2 ρ2. Fourth part, this composite body is created for a wall clock. A small hole E is made to be kept OB horizontal when it suspends on a vertical smooth wall from E. Find the angle in between OE and horizontal. Consider that the clock hands and the other equipments are light. Fifth part of this question, a rod of length L is fixed to the point D to keep this clock in equilibrium on a horizontal table. It is made by the same material as the circular arc. If the rod is touching the horizontal table while keeping the clock in equilibrium, then show that L over R greater than square root of 2 into pi r ρ1 plus 8 ρ2 over ρ2. Part 7. Again, if this new composite body is suspended freely in a smooth vertical wall, find the new position to make a hole on AB circular arc to hang this clock from that hole to keep OB horizontal. So answer for this question. First part, Find the center of mass of a uniform sector of radius r subtending an angle 2 theta at the center by integration. Sector with radius r and angle 2 theta is the diagram. Radius r and the angle 2 theta, this is one of the sector. We want to find out the center of mass of this object. This is the OX, horizontal OX axis, and vertical OY, Y axis. Consider a small element at an angle alpha with X axis. This is one of the small element. This is at an angle alpha with X axis. Let this angle is a delta alpha, small angle, small element. Therefore, when it makes small, this angle delta alpha is very small. When this angle delta alpha is very small, this element is a triangle. But delta alpha is very big. This is not a triangle, but delta alpha is very small. We can consider this small element as a triangle. So what is this distance? This question mark distance. This is r, this is a radius r, this is an alpha, this is a delta alpha. Therefore, this one question mark angle, question mark distance is a r into delta alpha. Let surface density is sigma. So area of elements, the element is a triangle, therefore area of this element half into base into height. Half into base r delta alpha into height is the r. The area of element, that's a triangle. Mass of element. To get the mass of this element, the area should be multiplied by surface density sigma. Now when we multiply this by sigma, that is the mass of this small element, triangle. This one r squared delta alpha by 2 multiplied by sigma. Therefore mass of this element r squared sigma delta alpha by 2. Center of gravity of element from O. This element is a triangle. We want to find out the center of gravity, the centroid point of this triangle. From the vertex, that is a 2/3. Therefore, center of gravity of element from O, 2/3 r. Now we want to find out the center of gravity of element from the OY axis. Here 2/3 r from OY axis make cos alpha. Therefore 2/3 r cos alpha. Area of the sector, this sector subtend angle 2 theta. Therefore area of this sector, as we already learned in our previous class, half r squared into angle 2 theta. When simplify 2 cancel, r squared theta, this is the area of the sector. So mass of the sector, to get the mass, area should be multiplied by surface density sigma. When we multiply this by sigma, that is the mass of a sector, r square theta sigma, mass of the sector. By symmetry, center of mass lies along OX axis. It is obvious. Center of mass of this sector should be lie along OX axis. When we make one of the table chart, object is the mass, the distance of center of mass. Here two objects, one is element, other is the sector. First element. Element is the triangle, but it's the mass of this element. We already find out mass of this element. Half r squared sigma delta alpha. Half r squared sigma delta. Distance of center of mass we find out from the OY axis 2/3 r cos alpha. Center of mass of this element 2/3 r cos alpha. Then sector, consider the sector, mass of the sector, you already find it, r squared theta sigma. You want to find out the center of mass of this object, let's say x bar. You want to find out this x bar. Using the principle of moments, moments of this sector is equal moments of all elements, all possible elements. Therefore, moments of sector mass into distance, r squared theta sigma into x bar is equal moments of one element, this mass into this distance, this mass half into r squared sigma delta alpha into 2/3 r cos alpha. We can create so many elements, not only this element. When this angle, when this alpha change, we can create so many small elements from here to so many small elements we can create. So many small elements. When alpha varies from minus theta to plus theta, we can create so many elements. Therefore, we want to add all elements. Therefore, we integrate this minus theta to plus theta. And simplify, r squared theta sigma into x bar is equal, this 2 to cancel, 1/3 r squared into r cube sigma integration minus theta to plus theta into cos alpha d alpha. So x bar is equal r over 3 theta into integration minus theta to theta cos alpha d alpha. Now we want to integrate this cos alpha. Integration of cos alpha is equal sin alpha. Our limit minus theta to plus theta. So now substitute theta and minus theta, then subtract. Therefore this one r over 3 theta into, when substitute theta, sin theta minus, then we substitute minus theta. Therefore sin minus theta. Sin minus theta is a minus sin theta. Now this minus, that minus plus, Therefore, sin theta plus sin theta, 2 sin theta, r over 3 theta into 2 sin theta. This one simply say x bar 2r sin theta over 3 theta. This is the answer for this part. Center of mass of a uniform sector of radius r, subtending angle 2 theta at the center is 2r sin theta over 3 theta. Now we consider the second part, this one. A sector OCD of radius lambda r subtending an angle 2 theta at the center. This is one of the sector 2 theta, radius r, the AOB sector. At OA there is a point D and OB there is a point C. So that this OD is a lambda r, lambda is less than 1. This is also one of the sector 2 theta, but here radius the lambda r, lambda is less than 1. Therefore, this one small sector. This is the portion ABCD. So now portion ABCD is created. This portion is actually big sector minus small sector. Now we want to find out the center of mass of this object ABCD. Donut shape. We create one of the chart. Object, the mass, the distance of center of mass from point O. First one is one of the big sector, 2 theta, this R. The surface density is a sigma, therefore mass is a area into sigma. So this area half r squared into 2 theta multiplied by sigma, the mass. Half r squared 2 theta into sigma. Center of mass from O, that is this from the previous part, 2r sin theta over 2r sin theta over 3 theta. Center of mass 2r sin theta over 3 theta. Now consider small sector with radius lambda r, this one 2 theta, surface density sigma, the mass half. For r we can substitute lambda r, half into lambda r whole thing squared into 2 theta sigma. This is the mass of this object. Half lambda r whole thing square 2 theta into sigma. Distance of center of mass from O, 2r sin theta over 3 theta. For here r we can substitute lambda r. 2 lambda r sin theta over 3 theta. Now our portion ABCD, donut shape. We want to find out the center of mass of this portion. Therefore, we want to find out the mass of this object. Big sector minus small sector. Mass of this sector minus mass of this sector. This is the mass of this portion ABCD. Half r squared 2 theta into sigma minus this one. Half r squared, half r squared 2 theta sigma minus this one, half lambda r whole thing square 2 theta sigma. When we simplify, these 2 and 2 cancelled. Therefore, 1 minus lambda square, so common r square theta sigma. 1 minus lambda squared into r square theta sigma. Center of mass x bar we want to find out. Using the principle of moments, moments of this portion is equal moments of this portion minus moment of this portion. The moment of this portion ABCD is equal mass into distance, this mass into this distance, 1 minus lambda squared to r squared theta sigma into x bar is equal moment of this portion, this mass into this distance, this mass into this distance, half r squared 2 theta sigma into 2r sin theta over 3 theta minus moment of this sector, this mass into this distance, minus 1 by 2 lambda r whole thing square 2 theta sigma into this distance 2r 2 lambda r sin theta over 3 theta. When we simplify this one, cancelled by r square theta sigma, both side r square theta sigma cancel. Therefore, left hand side, it is left 1 minus lambda squared into x bar. In right hand side, here r square theta sigma cancel, these two cancel. Therefore, 2r sin theta over 3 theta minus here also r square theta sigma cancel, r square theta sigma 2 cancel. Therefore, here 2 lambda cube, here lambda square, here 1 of the lambda. Therefore, lambda cube into this 2 lambda cube r sin theta over 3 theta. When simplify, 1 minus lambda square into x bar, 2r sin theta over 3 theta is the common factor. Therefore, 1 minus lambda cube. When factorize, 1 minus lambda square, 1 minus lambda into 1 plus lambda x bar is equal to 2r sin theta over 3 theta into, when factorize this one, 1 minus lambda cube, 1 minus lambda into 1 plus lambda squared. Cancelled by 1 minus lambda, 1 minus lambda. Therefore, here left hand side, it is left 1 plus lambda into x bar. In right hand side, 2r sin theta over 3 theta into 1 plus lambda squared. So, x bar is equal to 2r over 3 into sin theta over theta into lambda squared plus lambda plus 1 over lambda plus 1. This is the question, this is the answer. The question. Okay, now we want to deduce something. Let this equation is number 1. We want to deduce two question here. We want to find out the center of mass of a sector and a circular arc. On the above diagram, we want to observe something. when lambda is equal 0. When lambda is equal 0, we will observe on the diagram lambda is equal 0. So lambda is equal, make lambda is equal 0, this portion might come like here. So when lambda is equal 0, this portion ABCD become as a sector AOB with radius R. When lambda 0, this portion ABCD become as a sector. Reduce the center of mass of a sector of radius R, subtending an angle 2 theta at the center. Now for this part, this part is made when lambda is equal 0. So when lambda is equal 0, it is a sector subtended 2 theta at the center. The center of mass G, we want to find out this one. How to find out this one? Substituting here lambda is equal 0. When substitute lambda is equal 0, x bar is equal to 2r by 3 into sin theta over theta into 0, lambda here 0, here plus 1 over 0 plus 1, 2r over 3 into sin theta over theta. The next part, center of mass of a circular arc. So on the above diagram, we make when lambda is equal 1. Here, when lambda is equal 1, this approach here. When lambda is equal 1, this portion become as a circular arc. When lambda is equal 1, lambda r is equal to r. So this portion ABCD become as a circular arc. When we substitute lambda is equal 1, we can get the center of mass for this one. When lambda is equal 1, it is a circular arc subtended 2 theta at the center. Substituting lambda is equal 1 for this equation, x bar, center of mass of this arc, 2r by 3 into sin theta over theta into 4 lambda 1. 1 squared plus 1 over 1 plus 1. R sin theta over theta. This part. This part over O. Now we consider this third part. The circular disc of radius R with center C and circular arc of radius 2R with center O are rigidly fixed at the point B as shown in the figure to make a composite body. Circular disc, radius R, surface density ρ1, because we are given surface density of a circular disc is ρ1. Is the circular arc. This is a radius 2r. Fixed at point B, composite body. Density of disc is rho 1. Density of arc rho 2. Radius of disc is r. Mass of the disc, area into density of disc. Area of this disc pi r squared, our mass pi r squared into rho 1. Center of mass of disc from O. Center of mass is here. Center point here. From this point, this is R. Our center of mass of disc from O. That is R. Mass of the arc, this one. The circumference, the half circle, semicircle, full circle 2 pi r, therefore half circle pi r, here radius 2r. So pi into 2r into density rho 2. Pi into 2r into density rho 2. This is the mass of the arc. 2 pi r rho 2. Center of arc from O. Center of arc, this one from O. You already find it. This is a sine theta over theta. But for this arc, this theta becomes as a pi by 2. So that at the center, it makes a 180 degree. That is equal to 2 theta. Now theta is equal pi by 2. When substitute for theta is equal pi by 2, we can get center of arc from O. 2r is the radius, 2r into sine, here for theta pi by 2 over theta pi by 2. When simplify this one, sine pi by 2, 1, 2r over pi by 2, that is a 4r over pi. Center of mass of composite body is x bar. This center of mass is x bar. We want to find out the x bar. We make one of the chart. Object, mass, distance of center of mass from point O. First object is the disk, radius r, density rho 1, therefore mass pi r squared, area into density rho 1, that's the mass. For center of mass from O, here this is the center of mass, therefore from O, that is the R. This one circular arc, this is the mass, density, linear density rho 2, here we want to find out this length. Full circle 2 pi 2r, therefore semicircle pi into 2r. Pi into 2r into rho 2, 2 pi r rho 2. The center of mass 4r over pi. Already find this one? 4r over pi. Now composite body this one. You want to find out center of mass this one. What is the mass of this composite body? This composite body is made by this arc and this disc. Now when we add these two mass, that is the mass of this body. Now the question mark mass is this one plus this one. Pi r squared rho 1 plus 2 pi r rho 2. Then simplify this one pi r into r rho 1 plus 2 rho 2. the mass of this composite body, and center of mass we want to find out this x bar. Therefore here x bar. Using the principle of moments, moments of this composite body is equal moments of this disc plus moment of this arc. Moment of this composite body, this mass into this distance. Pi r into r rho 1 plus 2 rho 2 into x bar is equal moments of this one, mass into this distance. Pi r squared rho 1 into r plus moment of this one, this mass into this distance, 2 pi r rho 2 into 4 r over pi. Cancel by pi r. Cancel by pi r. Pi r cancel. Therefore, left hand side it is left r rho 1 plus 2 rho 2 into x bar is equal right hand side. Pi r cancel. Therefore, r squared rho 1 plus 2 into 4, 8 r rho 2 over pi. R over pi is the common factor. Within brackets, pi r rho 1 plus 8 rho 2. Therefore, x bar, center of mass of this composite body from O is equal r into pi r rho 1 plus 8 rho 2 over pi into r rho 1 plus 2 rho 2. The question here, sub-question, center of mass, the composite body is this one. However, we proved this one here. Now next part. This one. Fourth part. This composite body is created for a wall clock. A small hole is made to keep or be horizontal. We draw the diagram for this clock. The wall clock is created. And it's a wall clock, real wall clock. It is made. We can make the speed here. Yeah. Every part is moving. Every hands of this clock is moving. So actual time we can make. Actual time. We want to hang this wall clock on the wall in this position. In this position. That is when we can observe the time. Okay, we come to the question. This x bar, OG, is the center of mass of this composite body. This one we already proved from the previous part. R into pi r rho 1 plus 8 rho 2 over pi into r rho 1 plus 2 rho 2. It is hung from point E, so that this OB is a horizontal. Weight W is vertically downwards. Yes, the weight of this composite body. Weight W is a mass into gravitational acceleration G. This mass we already find out pi r into mass of this composite body here. Pi r into r rho 1 plus rho 2. For this weight, we multiply this by G, that is a W. So W. Reaction at E must pass through center of mass point G. Because only two forces are vertical. Therefore, this line of action must go through point G. We want to find out this angle theta. Consider this triangle OGE. Cos theta is equal adjacent over hypotenuse. OG over OE. For this OG, that is the X bar, and OE is the 2R. When we simplify this one, 1 over 2R into X bar, for this X bar we can put this one. We already find out previous part. 1 over R into, so X bar, R into pi R rho 1 plus 8 rho 2 over pi into R rho 1 plus 8 rho 2. R cancelled. Therefore, this one pi r rho 1 plus 8 rho 2 over 2 pi into r rho 1 plus 2 rho 2. Therefore, theta is equal cos inverse pi r rho 1 plus 8 rho 2 over 2 pi into r rho 1 plus 8 rho 2. This is the part for this answer for this part. Find the angle in between OE and horizontal. This is the angle between. Okay, now we come to the next part 5. This one. A rod of length L is fixed to the point D to keep this clock in equilibrium on a horizontal table. It is made by the same materials as the circular disc, and we want to prove for this equilibrium this one. This part. We fix one of the rod to keep this wall clock on a table. This is the wall clock. We fixed a rod DE. DE is attached. A rod DE. A rod DE. Now this is kept on a table. Length of rod is L. Now this one half L. This is the center of gravity. Therefore this one half L. L by 2. Linear density of rod is rho 2. Same as a circular wire. Rho 2. It is given. Let weight of rod is W. This one small w. How to find out this W? This length into linear density. L into rho 2 multiplied by G. W is equal L rho 2 G. weight W of clock at center of mass, point G. Therefore, this capital W is equal pi r into r rho 1 plus 2 rho 2 into G. We proved it in previous part. This x bar also proved it previous part. R into pi r rho 1 plus 8 rho 2 over pi into r rho 1 plus 2 rho 2. Let the reaction at point D, in this point, is kept on the table. Therefore, the reaction at point D is R. For the stability of equilibrium, for the stable equilibrium, when we take moment about point D, two poses, here one of the pose, here one of the pose, therefore we want to compare the moment of these two poses, W and capital W. We want to compare for the stable equilibrium moment of this W and moment of this W. What about this question mark? Greater than or less than? Maybe greater than. For the stable equilibrium, moment of this one, when we take moment about point D, moment of this W might be greater than moment of capital W. Stable equilibrium, steady equilibrium. Moment of this small w, weight into this distance, W into L by 2, greater than moment of this one, capital W into this one, OG, that is X bar. L rho 2 into G, small w, we already find out this small w, L rho 2 G, L rho 2 G into L by 2 greater than capital W into X bar. Capital W this one, pi r into r rho 1 plus 2 rho 2 into G, and X bar this one. For this one for W and this one for this X bar. So when we simplify this one, cancel by G and pi and r rho 1 plus 2 rho 2. Here this r rho 1 plus 2 rho 2, here r rho 1 plus 2 rho 2 cancel, and G cancel from both sides and pi cancelled. Therefore here left hand side L squared rho 2 over 2 greater than this one cancel, this r into this one, r squared into this one, pi r rho 1 plus 8 rho 2. So this one L squared over r squared, this 2 come here, 2 into pi r rho 1 plus 8 rho 2 over this rho 2 come here, rho 2. Therefore, L over R, when we take square root of both sides, L over R greater than square root of 2 into pi r rho 1 plus 8 rho 2 over rho 2. So this part also proved it. This one. This one. Now part 7, last part. Again, if this new composite body, now composite body is the clock and rod, is freely suspended. The composite body is a rod and clock. Let a hole at point F makes the composite body in equilibrium so that OB is horizontal. Let this point F is at a distance x from O along OB. This one. This point F is x from here. You want to find out this x. This is the x. You want to find out this x. This is the weight of this rod, small w, capital W, weight of this clock. This hung from point F or this action R. From the previous part we already proved it. Small w is equal L rho 2g, capital W pi r into r rho 1 plus 2 rho 2 into g. OG is equal this one. For this equilibrium, we take a moment about point F. Therefore, this force won't come. Therefore, moment of this small w is equal moment of this capital W. Moment of small w is equal moment of capital W. Moment of small w from here, small w, from here x, here L by 2. Now x plus L by 2 into small w. X plus L by 2 into small w is equal, for this capital W, the distance from here to here. But this one x bar, that means OG, this one x. Now this distance, OG minus x. OG minus x into W. So when we substitute this value for this small w, capital W and OG, we can find out this value x. Substitute and simplify. Okay. When expanding this bracket, xw plus lw by 2 is equal OG into W minus xw. About this term come left hand side, x into W plus capital W is equal, this one OG into W, this one minus LW by 2. X into, for this small w, we can substitute L rho 2g. For this capital W, pi r into r rho 1 plus 2 rho 2 into g. This one. X into, for the small w, this one. For the capital W, this one. Is equal OG into W. OG, this one. Capital W, this one. Therefore, this one OG into W minus LW by 2. L by 2 into, for the small w, L rho 2g. Then simplify further, here x into L rho 2 plus pi r into r rho 1 plus 8 rho 2 into g. In right hand side, this term cancel, r rho 1 plus 2 rho 2, here r rho 1 plus 2 rho 2 cancel, this pi cancel, r into r squared into pi r in rho 1 plus 8 rho 2 g minus L into L squared rho 2 g by 2. Then simplify further this one, g by 2 is a common factor within bracket 2r2 into pi r rho 1 plus 8 rho 2 minus L squared rho 2. Therefore, x is equal 2r squared into pi r rho 1 plus 8 rho 2 minus L squared rho 2 over L rho 2 L rho 2 plus pi r into r rho 1 plus 8 rho 2.